I'm absolutely glad I called Standard Insulating. Our home was really cold in the winter and very hot in the summer, and our utility bills were extremely high. And we were looking for a way to resolve those issues. And Standard Insulating helped do just that, save money and be more comfortable.
You should be able to love your home no matter how hot or cold it is outside. And why not look forward to opening your energy bills to see how much you've saved? We've helped thousands of homeowners with new installation, and we want to help you too.
Standard Insulating is definitely a company you can trust. You can trust their advertising, you can trust their ability to assess your problem, and you can trust that they're going to do a super job.
We're proud to be the company people trust to make their homes more comfortable and to help cut their energy bills. And we can help you too. Just give us a call. At Standard Insulating, we promise to save you money.